morning students. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. I am also fine here. Now I hope you have revised and you have learnt about the vegetables. Today I am going to show some vegetables that I have in the basket. We are going to revise the vegetables that I have in the basket. I will take it out one by one, all the vegetables. Okay, I will take out all the vegetables and you will tell me which vegetable is this. Now can you tell me which vegetable is this? Yes, this is capsicum. This is capsicum. And what is the color? Green color. Which color? Green color. Now can you tell me which is this? Which vegetable is this? Tomato. And what is the color? Red color. Now what is this? Potato. What is this? Potato. And what is the color? Brown. Light brown color. Now which vegetable is this? Very good. Lady finger. Which vegetable? Lady finger. And it is of which color? Green color. Which vegetable is this? Ginger. Which vegetable? Ginger. What is this? Cucumber. What is this? Cucumber. And you eat it as a salad in salad. What is this? This is chili. What is this? Chili. What is this? Chili. And what is the color? Green color. Which color? Green color. Which vegetable is this? Very good. Onion. Which vegetable? Onion. Which vegetable is this? Garlic. Which vegetable? Garlic. And which vegetable is this? Lemon. Which vegetable is this? Lemon. Now I have shown so many vegetables that were in my basket. But some of the vegetables, these are the vegetables that are grown. Some of them are grown above the ground and some of are grown under the ground. Some are above the ground and some are under the ground. The vegetables that are grown on plants that are above the ground and that are under the ground means they are under the soil. They grow under the soil. So today we are going to learn about the vegetables that are above the ground and under the ground. Now come look here again. You will look at the vegetables. Look at the vegetables over here. I have, now see, what is this? Capsicum. And this is grown above the ground. This is grown above the ground on a plant. What is this? Tomato. What is this? Tomato. And it is grown above the ground on the plant. Now what is this? Lady finger. And it is also grown above the ground on a plant. And what is this? Garlic. What is this? Garlic. Can you see the roots above? What are these? These are roots. Yes? And so they are grown under the ground. They are grown under the ground. The garlic is under the ground and big leaves come out from the ground, above the ground. And the garlic is grown under the ground. See its roots? It has roots like this. Now, what is this? Ginger. Ginger is also grown under the ground. See, it has some of the eyes on it. If you put this ginger in the soil, then automatically a plant will grow up. A plant will grow up. And more ginger can be planted. And it is grown under the ground. Ginger. See, roots are there. See, some of the roots you can see over here also. These are the roots. These are the roots. Now, what is this? Onion. What is this? Onion. Now see what has. It also has roots. It also has roots. It is also grown under the ground. Under the ground. Now what is this? Cucumber. What is this? Cucumber. And it is grown above the ground. Lemon. What is this? Lemon. It is also grown above the ground on trees or plant. And what is this? Chili, and it is also grown above the ground. Now see, what is this? Potato. What is this? Potato. And what it has? It has eyes on the potato, so many. And if you put the potato in the soil, it also grow under the ground. More potatoes will be grown under the ground, and plant will come out, and roots will come out from the eyes. You can see from in the potato. See, this is our roots. These are roots. Now look at the board carefully. Look here on the board. Now look at the board. See, there are some of the vegetables that are drawn on the board that are above the ground and under the ground. Now see, first of all we learn about the vegetables that are above the ground. Tomato. Which vegetable? Tomato. Cauliflower. Brinjal. Red chili. Ladyfinger. Water gourd and bitter gourd. These all are the vegetables that are grown above the ground, and there are many more vegetables that are grown above the ground. Now come here, under the ground vegetables. Potato. There are some of the eyes through which you can identify that it is grown under the ground. Turnip. See, turnip also has roots. It also has roots, and this is the plant. Turnip is grown under the ground और इसकी leaves क्या होती है? बाहर आ जाती है. Okay. Now ginger. As I told you and shown you, ginger. Now carrot and radish. They both are grown under the ground. They both are grown under the ground, and it also have roots. If you will see carefully, it has roots, and there are leaves also. They are grown under the ground, and leaves come out above the ground. Both the vegetables are grown under the ground, and they also have eyes on it. These are an onion. I have shown you onion also. It also has roots. It also has roots. So these are the vegetables that are grown under the ground, and there are many more vegetables also that are grown. Okay. Now today you have learned about the vegetables that are grown above and under the ground. You will revise it at home and also find out the vegetables that are at your home, that are under and that are above the ground. Try to find it out. We are going to do an activity also related to it with the help of your mama and papa. Okay beta, God bless you.